Twene Jonas, Afia Schwar, Abronye DC, any TikTokers, Abe clashing with Raf, the foolish Ghanaian. Now, no, you know, a movie from Raf, the foolish Ghanaian, Abe do Raf, the foolish Ghanaian. What else, yeah? Then you know, funny say more about Ura, Asantehene of him, so what course, then I say too. I've been in demonstration about stop galamsey now, no. As more kind, no, no. One be doing it, one Abe repan, pa Abu Margin, Edach, about you, not the Wagin, Amame. Ewa comment section. I have Penyah block media. Mes wa say need over like if you do not have a subscribe button, so back click verification code latest update time back to the wide and the mama ewa comment section. Mes wa so bass no shave for so anya be ashe. It's last week and a demonstration be cause ewa Ghana had ice fix the country activist Raf the first Ghanaian and a pound for any year that demonstration no. As that demonstration no just say Raf e kasa ya kire mu say Sebi yewura Grana dia asase ma galamsey for the two galamsey nti ewura wo tumi say wo tumi stop galamsey.
When Otumfuo's mother's funeral was ongoing, we saw all the politicians there, all the big people that we recognize in this country were there. Otumfuo himself admits and even made a statement that all these people sitting here are aware of the galamsey going on. That means Otumfuo, I'm coming, but Otumfuo himself, who leases out the land for these people to do the galamsey.
So hold on.
No, who does that? I am only saying that we should also throw the legs of our traditional rulers to speak for us. Because if Otumfuo speak today, right, the politicians will listen more than we listen. Imagine Otumfuo coming out today, right? I am not litigating that. All I'm saying is, no, we are not litigating. We are having a conversation. The government has failed because our people who have the power is not also holding them accountable.
That's what kind same way. Now, so kind of with your comedians or Adepa. I just column Twene Jonas. Abronye this any Afia Schwar or Muko Kwapai or my reply Raf. I can come out and pa editor.
A Raf on baby, Yasa. But some we inquiry and Mamma be a coon. A free yassi. Unim say NDC for Naya Galamsey saying so. And yet then I don't quasi could now say what could this casse will be trying to say Otumfuo a bit must stop illegal mining. I then with Jimmy sir.
See your comment be a fast and for home. A better reply. Let's say NDC for if you don't cage your dog, Naya must say Ralph Jimmy. Naya must say Ralph Jimmy. Jimmy headquarters near T. Or more my Jimmy now more. Me will be a film because will be anywhere. Ne dockets any phone is so. Na mo confirm na mo de monsake kan Mustafa na mo ye me ho. Mo na mo aye Mustafa ahye no. Na mo ye me ho santo na mo hwehwe Rafo. Mo hwehwe no. Mo na mo de monsake kan Mustafa. Take this as a fucking warning. And some met akonya we so aka no. Mo ba bombo sama mama me. And na nyina so ye no kore. Metu mire na ma kire sie. Metu mire na ma kire sie mi. Monsuma no nsa me kasenti Asantehene biom. Monsuma no nsa mra no me kasenti Asantehene biom. Womra no me sa bo Jimmy for kronfo ba no. Akwa na ne papa ko wie ska no. Se mu ja no. E ma ne be yen kwose ade no ye ne biom Julius Debra. Kiss all your presidential ambitions bye bye. The Mujai boy is so big Jimmy Bima. Julius Debra, may say NDC. John Mahama has done enough to them.
Na NDC near Brantia, Omwadie, Omushi, Ewo Kromha. Because ne papa aye DC Chief Executive, NDC Part 1, President Mahama Pencil. Omu Opia wo Kromha. And our hiding behind the Yisani party na aba power. And all dims and phone or cocoa dina wa. She said, yeah, and yet the responsibility of President Akufo-Addo, President John Dramani Mahama to deal with the galamsey activities. Namum, a nipa, obet must stop galamsey or Ghana. His Royal Majesty. Asantehene Otumfuo Asantehene no. Assemble na NDC amanyokuo na soma no. se onyakwanya onka wei eye ndc amanyokuo no ana soma raf se onka tasem no onfa meto abonten se Otumfuo ene betima stop galamsey wo munimnie omochichire ne wodanum na ono na omufi se obetim di Asanteman wura nim atwitwi fam because ono na nintete ye papa ana wagye bibi 20,000 ahye ne bottom nti ohun 20,000 no efonfon no oba wiase no dana wa hana ne board ne pa no aye 3,000 Ghana cedis enti no okọ ne sa ndc for no tam 20,000 e ma ne se rafo gia sent rafo gisha ho a wa hu wiase enti no Otumfuo kura gina ho a onhu no enti no o pasa o ka kire Ghana fo se Otumfuo nim galamsey hu bia na kwase se ebisa wo rafo no so Otumfuo ene betim ne di kan Ghana security Ghana the 1992 constitution ya edamanimu no o mine security ni nyina no as a President John Dramani Mahama nsa President Mahama ene ye the commander in charge of the Ghana Armed Forces. President John Dramani Mahama and I the chairman of the National Security Council. Oria na constitution national money to me to appoint the vice president to chair the police council. Nti constitution no eye clear. Ewo ha. The composition of the National Security our president here edano now we are set up ayi tumi we nyina kita president na senye his royal majesty dia eye da ndc for musoma rafo say omra bonte meka say Otumfuo ene betimi astopo galamsey kwaso our eastern region Otumfuo na kaso munkogu forest mo galamsey kwaso wo eastern region Otumfuo ene ka say andi simrantie a o mako take over apam Otihene task force a o protect o mine forest ya Otihene say ye datinti what the task force or more protect your forest, no, and this ya bind by no, and this vigilante boys. Aqua tesi or taking a task force for no free war, I take over the forest. Say ya by number, Otumfuo na dom go. Galamsey air course for western region and western north. Galamsey kwaso awonwi Galamsey kwaso akontomra Galamsey kwaso bibiani Galamsey kwaso ahafo Galamsey kwaso bono region Otumfuo na dom kogu ho andi simrantia womugu forest mu womugu nsuo no ese ye nsuo Brimu river Prat ne ne keka ho Tano river and various forests here war on mine Ghana and no more taking over. Galamsey for more baller bamboy. President Mahama Danachi Galamsey air koso baller bamboy. President Mahama ne Danachio Galamsey air koso our baller. Otumfuo na do mukogu ho. Because when you akwanya no bi akachiro se kopim Otumfuo akutia. Nti watiasim but wonu se wadwene mu da ho na sa soma na ye soma wo no bisa ho se Galamsey kwaso wo bole president Danachi Galamsey kwaso wo bole no ehu achen other regions president backyard Galamsey activities ya kwaso no ehu other regions, the president now, or no be make sure say galamsey activities ever stop on ne backyard. Galamsey air cost within this short period, a bin see that. Na bola for who sa galamsey activities in a bit that. Yes. And on the president, Otumfuo, and the car say, and this Simrantia Kuku Bole, so Munya Sagalam say no. A big cost for president Dana Chipe. Na Sansa see ya Mabubo in Nano, Otumfuo Nimbabieda. And this is for us from Sebejina on not disrespecting Otumfuo Nako. And not yet, and yet the responsibility of President Mahama Bill. Now, it is the responsibility of His Royal Majesty Sabastopo Galamsey. And in Guasia Natomo, any Opia Behun say, a quine bin a moshe, a day but to disrespect Otumfuo. Now, o disrespectino, one disrespectino, Otumfuo. O disrespectino, one disrespectino, Otumfuo. And then there's a fact. O disrespectio, one disrespectio, yana, Otenibabi. Now, no, he might be my message, Eddie Free, Eastern region say, me repeat about state ya ache ewo mangana namsi you na opeso hu because omo kan ye obi akran kama nche da say asanteman adifiti broni kokoda where your hima or head that framing every Eastern region after the show say enye na anu a nkonte kra da say asanteman adifiti British da onte da. But Omon can for them say yes, Asantehene a defeated British Senada, Ekum Governor McCarthy, and a British government, yes, it's so much prepared because Asante no is strong. Womoko prepare, Edomo armed forces no buy, Womo the military buy, Womo the military no cry buy, Womo who say ye, and to Omo convince some people from there. The gas state and the coastal state and San Omutimi, they combine the British combine with the gas state and the coastal state Kambomu and San Omutimi defeat Asante. I'm checking and I hear my say no, so I will be on Taylor. Nam sin near me a woman no be a son to me and Sano near no credit no credit. Yes, obi onim bia be catch you say Asante so ma defeat British da eno na nam so a wo mukum maka governor Makati wanyare na wuye o Asante ene twa ni ti kum no through the war no mo koye 1824 no mo ko prepare ye prepare by no kra no as so munya internal support from the coastal state and gas state and san omutimi akwa we ni sa fight no against the Asante and san omukwateka no because British for no yes omunte ase sa Asante a defeat omu akum Governor McCarthy dia so omu fight back and na mo fight back etimbe defeat Asante take say they defeat my ateka the Asante wo ho Dabon State ewo ho obisa se o na manka yes Dabon State wo ho 1100 achepa Bunu State ewo ho Bunu State e hu ni sa no ewo ho 1100 na Bunu State ye den ewo ho na Bunu State wo 1100 na Bunu State enye state ya nena Ebaye, but near why ya na bakosem eso a wo jina UK abontene so a ufa tokrom ba bia ekita bakosem wo mu buku mu eye the Asante Kingdom ene the Dabon Kingdom eno de ukoduru UK sisi ana wo mayimu because uko kopiem wo ha bunu state ni de wo ho a obi anim se ache 1100 na wo anyini pa anye ne basa kingdoms we mienu de abrofo no mfo mu ni agoro na abrofo no wo respect ma omo and sa respect ni na wo ho abesi ne the Asante kingdom and the Dabon kingdom wo mo nkratam me ametie mintimi nyimfirim enti se wo no asukwa no ma be small ma 20,000 no ba begina ho ade aye the president responsibility mo se yen divert attention no enko kase Otumfuo and entinsim nko for on betuma stop galamsey fight Otumfuo ne control Ghana military Otumfuo ne control the police and now me no kase no the inspector general of police akani pepe say on my police for enko kuntia galamsey biem e de na e ka kire if tete ye onu etimi kase on my police for enko kun galamsey bie enko fight galamsey biem ma ne e ka kire Ghana clergymen the Muslim society and the traditionalists ayewo kromano say the inspector general of police etimi issue statement to say police for mo galamsey site nyina ma recall mo back here why ne control IGP mama yemfa nokre enye adwuma se o man o na munyai enkontom posem no inspector general of police no president Mahama na appointed no na say yam pasa president Mahama ye serious so be ko atia galamsey dia eyeda na inspector general of police say police fo a wo mo ka anti galamsey task fo no wa withdraw mo e ma ban ne so atiase hwan ne man IGP instruction say on withdraw police for na wo mo wo anti galamsey task force no so eya president Mahama na director no all because president Mahama nye ready say obeko atia galamsey na wo rafu koko gina ho a enye president Mahama asem eyo Otumfuo asem what are you insinuating? Tell us, what are you insinuating? Who insinuate say Otumfuo nim galamsey hu binto na betima kana Otumfuo na ama andi simrantie eye galamsey no meboa raf na onto ne panko raf no onto ne panko na mo sisa andi simrantie kogu forest mu no mo ye galamsey ya ma ba betrase na mo di akwakwa link Otumfuo a otene baabi evidence ni ya clear South Eastern region Otehene task force or mo protecting sase nyina no mama no warning astopo ne mrantie wo mo nya o madwuma forest ne sase ni nnua obo ho ban eno mo take over say Otehene ni right so obeti task force across wo Eastern region na wi a wo di ababa hye Asantehene wura otene ba bia o dwene ne manfo ho na de kwa akwose no se president Mahama epa on fatumi no ene Ghana sojafoɔ nyina ne policefoɔ nyina ene land ministry enko Asante mantamu no onko kase se mo pese onko dia na enye akutiabɔ dia Mumfa sojafoɔ ne military ne policefoɔ nya nkɔsɛ ne nsɛm because emre bi atwam no abrɔfo no ema Asante self rule no omutimi wuru omo wa Asante na wuru omo from 1935 to 1957 how many years 22 years Asante na ankasa emas eye self rule the British government grant you self rule emo ankasa generate wo revenue the tua dwumafo ka the be development antisamo kan sadia na mom wotimi nyina baabi nkopema kutia se enya president Mahama na yese se okutia galamsey na mom eye wo Otumfuo wo raf wo yi mama yati asiye se galamsey na mode baaye no a different 2010 no ebesi nne no obina media bia sorry and MPP pencil na youth in manning bemba so MPP buy a youth in manning and na ye and this model no ye buy a gu no a producer me de da omolanti youth in manning amount fa to so yes we 2010 me mo bia ho e ha evidence base adwuma na ye dey ye no youth in manning omolanti Thursday 17 June 2010 Baba Jamane lanchi sadie we youth in mining what youth in mining eno na di mo mabunu no mo na mo de ba say e mabunu nti nwuram enkonkɔ ye youth in mining wa mreko a omunni the necessary a year machines ni requirements ni tools wa mo de ba ye adwuma no no maka magum youth in mining and today no be galamsey no be e na aka mu aba besi nne adevelop na aba ye kanka ena mo se mayenka na mo twetwe sika e man centrofo binum so mo nka say the government is too young MPP for me o ma no na de na mutimi ye timi ye obibi e de nkrofo tumu e ma apredama ma mo presidential pardon enti so ye tibo nkoso journalist ya so hu se na nado e de nkrofo tumu e ne predama ma ba ye no wakwakoyi o ma fiafiase.
Has the power to say nobody should step out, and everybody was in the room. If Otumfuo says enough is enough with Galamsey, something will happen. Yes. Let's stop this hypocrisy.
Galamsey, na mse me nka ho asem bi na we be video a mechem de nti a mse me nka Galamsey ho bi asem bi but since a rough abo me hini din na me reply rough de tie say so ka chem say Otumfuo has the power say ubia na washanti no ubia da wo power nso betimi ayende Galamsey rough jade okeka na kumase Otumfuo ndikre ba bia so ubia na bia ya no mudi ifunu ne fa kwa akosie no eho mo na ye affected safo no because mo wo abrem burukuro mu ne tech ne yi mu no mo no ba bia ye difunu ne be fa kwa brema ya akosie no unya affected a bibi mfo so se wo kokoda woman me affected edum asanwase swameni abrepomoni bremaya yekusie maame no ehonum na no me affected na ashtown ne bantima itinu se onni saa ehonum na baabi a mabubu ya na emfa ho na say because sada no basa ne Newcastle Club Champions League match me koko hwe bi because na me nka saa bia ye na ombefa ede maame na ko ebiu ma membra Galamsey na wo se de no Kumase ha Galamsey ni ha Galamsey ni Kumase ha ayi Otumfuo aso ye yankaza Galamsey ni ha ena tu Otumfuo aka kire Asante region ha nyina nkuru ahemfo de da no nyase wo hu se Galamsey koso aba report ena mibuse wo se Asante region stop Galamsey a Galamsey wo Ghana nyina ne yensuo ni beti ana because insuo bi etene efiri ebi abon na eastern region na be twam Asante region na Asante region stop Galamsey na sa ba bi ensuo ri ti da no omo ye Galamsey wo ho no enhunu nsuo na Asante region stop ne de ekra na we so an stop a etimi enyai Galamsey ni nyai ti na wo Asante region ni Otumfuo enkuma di ena bio NDC for ba mo ka se chama wuntumi na yese Ghana nsu o ma review kele lines ba still nsu no prafi na essay and the declaration of a state of emergency no me nya di bit man stop Galamsey no but me chance and the catch them say me nka Galamsey asem because of state of emergency brand MPP wa ban no ne ya di o bitima declare dia yede ayende Galamsey opponent ye NDC so ka say no ne ya di but o ba ban no die no mo yede kamo ka bibi foforo but state of emergency na nya de huhu bia o ye say wo ka say forest ha memo bia nkoho usimu a wa de wetu bia wa wasem akoye say me fan say Jubilee House wo hui na ɛhɔ president aso yi na obi ɛhɔ yɛ obi anko na so ɔmo hu sɛ memeforo war na tie si mu a sojafoɔ ne polisifoɔ ɛwɔ hɔ no ɛbɛshoot me saa na ade ne tie but obi asu political parties obi asu sɛ me kwa akɔyɛ yi opponent mbe use e dia ababit aye campaign etia it is up to both political parties and say state of emergency the wa ban bia na obi take action say what this ade ne ye adwuma the opposition ni me use e me campaign tia say mo hu galamsey for mo hu say enu tina political parties ni suru but nkufo bi ka say political parties no omo dwena ni so mbe ne power yes political party ye tise say ye tise ye de be ne power it ade obeya lose power no wonye it is up to almost say ye kase NDC was you know kase we declare state of emergency NPP edit support be man na NPP for nko use nye campaign ti o say guarantee for on say for the by more tata eno na ma o nyina esuru ntie nyina ye nkamom as oman ye endi guarantee ni ye nya say ade e be boa ne ye koka obisian wo party kura wa ban no wa nka fe na wo beka ti Ghana for se mu pese galamsey na tuo ntwade saa nyema nyina yenkamu ni yenyi politics ni mfiri ni yenkamu na yenyina yenso bu galamsey na galamsey issue na nye ohene bi ba ko bi asema na say national issue
for himself who leases out the land for these people to do the galamsey.
So hold on.
No, who does that? No, we are. I am only saying that we should also throw the legs of our traditional rulers to speak for us. Because if we do speak today, right, the politicians will listen more than we listen.
Otumfuo ne chance ase menkrofo ye galamsey wo man Ghana mu. Raf. Sesia de Otumfuo ne chance ase menkrofo ye illegal mining e wo man Ghana mu. Sa na wo pa akire. Yete wo man Ghana mu video evidence e wo ho. Wadwene ho de enye okro mu hina o. Ono ana hemfo a omodom ho hye galamsey mu. Woto mu afra konya so. Nti Otumfuo ene ko chance ase menkrofo eye galamsey. Wo wi a no afa akire asa betu ne hemfo. Sa na wo ka Baby, wodi agro akono, wadi agro wo maame side. Bibi anyew. Baby awokeka kono e your papa side. So yiye, Raf. Baby awokeka kono e hotro. U protest ne niema woye. Die oni mu interest e wo internet ne so no. Na unsteady woye. Ekufuado time, wo se problem no e ye nanado. Edru Mahama time dia, wo se government na fail ye. Eti problem no e ye hemfu. Otumfuo e kasa Mahama beti. It is said the Otumfuo and they are responsible. Wane Mahama nko kasa. Edu era bidia, politician be responsible. Edu era bidia, na wo de ehemfo eko. So obi nkanyan sankyere wa, meka bi ewra wutinim. Ehemfo na mo obi license, eye mining, ewo mine Ghana mu. Lands and Minerals Commission, omo wo he, na se obi tomra, court no wo he, Supreme Court wo he, emra ewo mine Ghana mu. China near free ni krom, abeje license, to galamsey was say you da ben ye do bi ko gina court ekodi na asem ubetima kwa China ni krom when na mo license wonim say hemfo no asase ne ye omo dia nanso de sha asase na ase no ye constitution ne kire say e ye oman ne dia a president na responsible so asase no e ye hemfo dia but mining president no na ye responsible eno tina gold ni nyina e wa Asantehene mu no enko mensha hemfie na mom yetua royalties e ma hemfo no na de aka nyina akọ gold board sami jamfi. If you have something, go and blame those people. President Mahama baye anama wo tu nanse na wose wo the military for beko youth na nkasa ba bonten se omo pamuma military no emekunkum omo uhu ni nyina wo internet so president ne kura suro se obekum na de hye enye ne nkrofo nsia se nwotwe ekowu wo wie because of this same galamsey anamo. Raf afede government na feliye Otumfuo ekasa president ne beti enye monso na musi Otumfuo enye king no. You people adentina Ghana nyina munim se papa ne kasa tumi wom Ghana nyina nkamom na mo raise papa no ema ne nya tumi na mo sori amoso wo ye paramount chief ye ne king bia wo Ghana hase na so wo ye paramount chief dia paramount chiefs dodo se na wo my Ghana mu over 200 adentina wa mbo ba kokora din na Otumfuo e na wo boni din em se bibi e how. You need to sit down and get a psychological diagnosis. Se upo bi to president nefua or an advisors ewo ho. Your constitution no e mane selecting nkrofo a mutu nefo. Your chief of staff ewo ho. blaming the politicians. Now what they for beba mudia, try and mention a handful of every tribe. I didn't know more yes sir. De bia na mo de Otumfuo na mo de nanima twitwi fom na mo de Otumfuo ade boni bia be koso Ghana bia no Otumfuo ade papa ba de a enye Otumfuo senka hemfo no that power say wo mo betimi override the constitution no etietia to me a president any lands commission e da hye nkrofo bi nsem apamo man komo beye senka president lands commission for ma obi to me so nkotu mining na ohene na okrom ho no e wo to me so betima stop ya komo beye nanso emra ma mo kwan esanso mo kuta license obi akuta license so de wo ye na dwuma na no kotwitwa video bi o hospital na wo ka bibi wo se dan se nurse ni ana doctor ni e ya ade bi na so obi hwere ne nkwa ye fa ne ko gina mra kwan so ehefo ne ma nurse ni doctor ni license institution bi meboa NMC fo enti e ba sa nurse ni no ye gine license a ne ye sa de na ko gina mra nim e ye court enti so obi ye ma ne license lands commission ye ma ne license so nkotu gold na se wakọ na wo ye galamse a adentina 1 yengine license na number 2 yemfa ne court na odifa yemfa ne ntum na serve as a deterrent ema other people won say aye bi China for ne namokwa omunyina ko omukrom na foforo aba na omabitu na omuko omukrom Otumfuo ne kofa China for ne ba o man Ghana mu. You people are sick. Me oka mahama oka ekufu adwasema emfa me ho wo ye wo de me fa ho but baby okeka kono wo de Otumfuo ba mu a ye ntwema ho Uba UK hasi asisi omu problem pa omu face eye illegal migration enkrofo a efensuo so ebe wura kronimu illegally Ghana yeso ye de illegal mining krom ha se wonim de asi sesi an omaye demonstration chese Pakistan for ne nkrofo a omu fensuo so mabesiki asylum na dade omaye demonstration maintain se British ni bi kra edidi King Charles atem so atena wa menkrofo afensuo so abewura kronimu edi ni paponesem e wo nkrofo sekan eni nyine ekoto UK ase maintain so bi kra bo King Charles din da because omunim say politicians wo ha wo mo ye responsible ethical stama and omo holding no responsible Nancy a deputy prime minister wa resign omunim say ye hemfo no they are responsible for maintaining your culture and heritage Anything Otumfuo odi afahye abrano said the be ya mamre anyira everyone may lose me sense of belonging Inti ye hemfo no omo ye responsible for protecting that Incarnated in a politics MIN dia nanka asase ni mu ade nyina eyo omo dia nanso because of mo constitution inti say mo say hemfo no omo nya responsible for ade sha asase nase so omo ye responsible no go and attack them untime mo president Mohammed India me bama Bonidi na Kufuado time ubonidi na munya nsemfo na ekoso Ghana no
Chirawa Jomame, comment section. I Penyah Media.